avoiding a holiday sickness. The one shot you should get even if you aren't going overseas.
Well, tonight, if you're one of the millions of people planning to travel during the holidays, the last thing you want to think about is getting sick. But as 13 Action News anchor Carla Wade explains, you can keep that from happening by making sure your family gets vaccinated.
How many times have you heard someone say that while they were traveling, they got sick, or they got sick as soon as they got back from their trip? Well, it turns out it's not all in your imagination. There are reasons why and a lot of things that you can do to avoid that.
Egypt, Iraq, Afghanistan, Honduras, Dominican Republic.
All places Grace Vargas has been while serving in the Air Force and had no choice but to take every precaution to stay healthy.
You're going and take this pill or get this shot.
But even if you aren't a world traveler, there's one shot you should definitely get.
Statistically, the most common illness you'll get traveling is going to be the flu.
Dr. Jonathan Baktari is the medical director at E7 Health. They specialize in travel medicine. They carry all the vaccines you need to travel anywhere. While a flu shot is probably all most of you need heading to grandma's house, international travel has specific guidelines laid out by the Centers for Disease Control.
We assess their risk based on where they're going to be going and what they're going to be doing. Like which part of, Bangkok or Thailand are you going to be in? What are you going to be doing? Are you going to be at meetings, or are you going to be out hiking in the jungle?
Getting sick from germs at work or school is common, but Dr. Baktari says being away from your daily routine and in tight, crowded spaces like airports and on planes increases your chances of coming down with something.
I think a lot of us in our daily lives are simply, come home, we see our family, what have you. But then when you're traveling, and then that's where you get the exposure to other viruses and other illnesses.
To get the full benefit of how any vaccine works, you have to plan ahead.
We get a lot of people that literally show up the week before they're about to go to Thailand and want us to protect them.
Carla Wade, 13 Action News.